Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a reading for the period of October 16th to the 31st of October 2024 for the zodiac sign Cancer. Please remember this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates, let me know in the comments down below. If not, skip this one. If you feel any of your loved ones could benefit from these readings, kindly share the channel with them as well. If you feel you want to stay connected with me on Instagram, the link is down in the description below. You can follow me there as well. If it will be really helpful for you, helpful for me as well, for or your loved ones, that if you share the channel with them, maybe the message needs to go to them, but it will even help me to grow a little bit, and I'll really appreciate if you share the channel with others as well. So thank you so much, and let's begin. So, Cancer. Seems to be that some of you may have been struggling with some of your emotions for really long, and now maybe yes, you finally gotten and gotten all of it regulated, and you seem to be in a better position now, and hence you seem to be like very sorted in your head to face the challenges all over again. You are now moving forward, and kind of rising above that situation that may have really affected you so much that your emotions were really affected, and now you've actually worked on them and got them regulated in a beautiful way. Hence now you are like, you're really in a better place, I would say, and you're kind of facing things head on. And that's the beauty of it, because what you thought that you would not be able to get through is now that you have, and you've come out victorious out of it. Like, it's actually a beautiful thing to see that you've risen above everything else. Like, what was meant for you to kind of bring you down, or kind of disappoint you, you've risen above that and done what was necessary, worked on yourself, and hence you are in a better position now. Yes, there will be certain things that will be now coming into your life, again out of nowhere, while you will be least expecting. Not, I'm not talking in terms of anything negative, some beautiful positive things that will be coming into your life, where again you will see growth also coming in for you, for that matter. And there are two things that are going to matter a lot now in this duration: is your mindset, your intelligence, the way you communicate, your intellectual strength. That is what is going to help you get through a lot of things right now. The second thing that I would here mention is also, there may have been someone who may have helped you to regulate your emotions, so stay connected to that person. If there is nothing and you've maybe worked, but again, there could be someone who could be there into your life, or maybe already there into your life, who has a lot of good wisdom, which you know who it is. So it could be someone of maybe your age, or maybe a little younger to you also, but the thing is that they've seen so much in life that they have a lot of wisdom which could be of help. And in that duration, I mean in this duration, you may actually come, you may have more heart to heart conversation with these kind of people, and they may share some beautiful pieces of wisdom with you. So if you feel ever, when you hear something and it really hits you, like that okay, this is a very good piece of advice or very good piece of information, wisdom, whatever it is, try and like either I always do is this: I write it down. If someone says something like that, I always have it in my mind, but I always write it down also, because it's something that I have, it's really hit me hard, and it's had a beautiful impact on me. So I would suggest you also to do the same. Of course, the choice is yours, but these are suggestions. work wise, it seems to be a beautiful, interesting phase that is there right now for you. In this duration, you may feel a lot of good stuff happening. Of course, see, okay, so when I say there's going to be good stuff, there's going to be work, there's going to be a new phase beginning for you, it's the beginning of it. So you could attract work which could create ripple effect, and that will get you a lot of either good resources or good finance, either of it or both as well. There are things that you may have to do certain you may have to take certain decisions on, like whether, and when I say decisions on, it's not like always the final word, but at times, it's about maybe you're signing some contract with someone, and you may have to go through the terms and conditions, and then decide which ones you want to agree to and which not, and which should be bent a little bit, or you may want to add something or completely remove something. So yes, that may be a thing that you may have to do, and it will be something most likely around something new. So it could be, the company could be same but a new project with them, so something of that sort also could be the situation. But whatever it is, there is something new also which will involve some sort of contract where you may have to do all of this. So make sure you do it wisely, you put forth your point, and do the thing necessary thing. Take your time, don't be in a hurry. If that needs some sort of what do we say, kind of taking any kind of help, professional help from someone, take that time, maybe 2 weeks or so, do the needful and then go forward. It could even be that some of you could either expand and go international with your work, or some of you could travel because of your work in that duration, or maybe given an opportunity, like when they put out the news to you that you will have to travel international for work reasons. So it could happen that also, and you may have to submit your documents obviously for the necessary procedure. So those kind of situation also could happen on the work front for you. So when it comes to your finances, I would say that you need to just kind of start planning according to what you want to achieve. Like, right now you have a lot of ideas, a lot of things that you want to do when your finances get to a certain place, or maybe you already have reached that place but you are not sure of how you want to move forward with that finance. So maybe it's time that you kind of bring clarity on paper rather than only in your mind, because your mind is too cluttered with thoughts. So you need to make that you need to bring clarity into your mind, and that only happens when the thoughts that already have taken over in your mind, you put them out on some paper, and then there'll be new thoughts, there'll be space to have new way of thinking as well. So that is what I think, that maybe you've achieved what you wanted to have, you are getting opportunities to achieve either what you want in terms of your finances, but this kind of clarity is needed, because again, whatever it will be, it is actually coming after you've really gone through a lot of challenges, you've navigated through some things that were not that easy, and you are finally achieving that. And with that, yes, of course, you're getting opportunities to grow with that as well. So new opportunities, or new opportunities in terms of like investing something and so on. So basically, it's like again, here I would talk about is the ripple effect, that from one thing to another, another thing to another, and so on, you will have opportunities to create your, or double your, or multiply your finances. So yes, but that should always be done with a clear mind, and not just be in any kind of hurry. Like I said, the reason, one more reason that I would say bring clarity, is because a lot of opportunities could come your way for taking care of your finances in a better place, in a better way. So yes, I would definitely highly, in fact, recommend you to kind of do the necessary thing and bring clarity. So when it comes to your love, romance, and relationships, again, for singles, most of you seem to be very okay with doing what you're doing right now. You seem to be kind of having your plans sorted, and you don't seem to be right now very keen on getting into any kind of relationship. While you may be open to meet people, and that will be great. Actually, it's okay to meet people. Maybe socialize and see if you come across someone really that interesting, because yes, there could be someone interesting that could come into your life. There in fact there could be many who could be interested into your life. So while there may have been a period where you were the one who were chasing onto people, now things may change. And again, a word of caution here is, it's all up to you. So it's even how you are now navigating through things, through your life, through your navigating through your day to day life, your way you're carrying yourself, the way you are open to certain things. But having said that, one thing I would definitely mention over here is, do not carry your past baggage with you. Take your lessons but not your baggage. Like, what has happened, leave it behind. Don't keep comparing new people around you with the person that may have not been a great experience for you, because maybe that person can be a good experience for someone else but not for you. So hence, don't carry that person or that experience with you. Learn your lesson, figure out what was not working out, and move forward with a new energy, in fact. And that is what someone would highly even recommend to you. Someone close to you may even talk to you about this and may be there to guide you through also. So maybe even if you don't want to buy it immediately, just at least listen to them, try to understand what they are trying to tell you, and maybe then you can decide for yourself. You never know, you may actually get some real good piece of information and which will really be in your favor. So that is what I would say for the singles. People who are into a relationship, um okay, the thing over here is that a lot of you are into a relationship. And while I say the relationship is good, it's not that it is not good, it's worth taking it to the next step. But you seem to be a lot into your own world, into your own space. Some of you even seem to be comparing your current relationship with your past relationships, or one or many past relationships, with the experience of that. And that is kind of not working in your favor, and there could be certain kind of issues that may be happening because of that. So for people who are actually going through such situation, I would say, navigate things, try to understand things, try to work on those things, because a lot is about you and not about the other person. The other person is always about you and is definitely about the relationship and everything, but it seems you are going through certain things because of your past experiences, and it's in your hand to shift the entire narrative also. So I would say that work on yourself and then take the next step forward. For people, if it is your partner who is behaving a certain way and this is what you feel, what I just mentioned, then maybe it's time for you also to not push them to take the next step right now. Wait for some time, let them navigate through things, let them deal with certain things, figure out things, and then possibly if they are in a better position, you can take it forward. Until then, wait, don't hurry. Okay. So, yes, time to work on your emotions. Definitely, you need to get to certain things. Give time to yourself and work on your emotions. If need be, take professional help as well, because there could be a very little bit of it that you need to now just, kind of, it's like, you've cleaned and cleared your entire area to work in a very beautiful way, but yet there is that little small corner that needs cleaning. That's the kind of situation when it comes to your emotions. So I would suggest that just learn to navigate it better. and take professional help. They really give you some good modalities and good insights how to do it. Yes, on certain things, I would suggest that you may not take any action unless and until you're sure of it. Take your time, think through things, and then move forward. So, yes, there may be certain things that you may not be really right now, like, you may not be very proactive at doing certain things, which is also good in a way, because that is kind of, you can say, in your favor. And it would be right for the whole situation as well. But having said that, there are new things coming. There could be certain areas of your life that you may see certain transformation happening. There is forward movement as well. And there are new things also coming your way, which initially may feel chaotic, but eventually it will bring in peace. The end of a tough cycle approaches, which is beautiful, because I think that's what we've even spoken in the beginning, that you've really overcome a lot of things, and you are now ready to face things headstrong. So this is like kind of a confirmation that end of a tough cycle is approaching. And I think I've even spoken about certain new things also coming your way, new phases coming your way, new things coming your way, forward movement happening. So yeah, I've already spoken about all that. Growth. I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. So it's a matter of growth as well. Growth is coming your way, which again I spoke, that you've definitely approached growth. You are inviting growth into your life. There are few things that yes, you have already achieved, and you're seeing the fruits of those things. So growth is also something that you're looking for. It's beautiful actually, like while it's like, it's always good to see when you have gone through a lot. Finally, things are come, those tough things are coming to an end that you were dealing with, and now you are even seeing growth. So at that moment, you actually feel that okay, it was all worth it, because eventually you're seeing the good coming into your life. Vibration. Your vibration is being raised to higher levels. You are connected to cosmic intelligence. That's great. So yes, while things are, this is a beautiful thing, because while things are coming to end, like tough things are coming to an end, and you are heading to growth, your vibrations are also being raised to higher level. Okay. There are things are like happening, like your vibrations are getting raised to higher levels, and you may be constantly getting opportunities, and all of that may be happening, so which is amazing, because like I said, it seems to be one after the other, things are started happening the way you want. Dark side. Don't hide yourself away. So yes, don't hide yourself away. Face things the way it's time to actually come out of your cocoon. It's time to come out and now face everything, which you are actually getting into that space, and you will face things head on. So that's an amazing thing as well. Let's see what are the affirmations for you. Okay, there is going to be a lot happening during this duration, that I'm very, very sure of. Too much of energy. I am proud of myself, and you should be, because if you've gotten through so much of things, and you've been facing things head on, and now you worked on yourself and so much of everything. In fact, you should be proud of yourself, be it anyone is or not. I'm worthy of success. So, yes, you are worthy of success and you are proud of yourself. Keep reminding yourself these two things. And like I said, yes, growth is coming in. So, this will be again a very good affirmation for you to keep reminding yourself that you are worthy of success. The joy comes true joy comes from freedom and abandon. Today, I will allow myself to laugh loudly, feel deeply, and explore freely. I will focus on nurturing my inner child with empathy and playfulness. So, while you may have gone through a lot of things in this duration, I would say that, make sure you take care of yourself also in this duration, right? Like the inner child, and you keep it alive no matter whatever you may have gone through it. So it's even maybe giving you a message of taking care of yourself even while you may be going through a lot of ups and downs, or you may have just overcome all of that, and maybe it's time to even take care of your inner well-being. Okay, so yes, end of a tough cycle, beginning of something really new and better. Uh, Resourceful stuff happening. Finally, you'll be at peace of building a lot of things. It could be that some of you may even again hop onto new things also. One thing for very selected few of you again would be so that yes, you may have been going through a lot of things within the family also. You all may have, as a family, seen a lot of ups and downs, and that is also finally settling, and things are getting better for you. So it's not just for you but for your family as well, like your spouse, your kids, all of it. Yes, new things are definitely happening, transformation definitely happening, growth definitely coming in. Some days are hard, but there is hope for tomorrow. So yes, no matter what, remind yourself that yes, when the days may be getting difficult, or you may be finding them difficult, just keep telling yourself that yes, some days may be hard, but there is a hope for tomorrow, and you are also stronger than the days that you are, the hard days. You are much more stronger than those hard days. So that is also there, but yes, sometimes it is a good reminder. This may help you. So yes, keep reminding yourself that there is hope for tomorrow. When you start looking for beauty in everything, it starts looking for you too. So yes, while you may remind yourself there is hope for tomorrow, even start looking for beauty in what you already have. what is already there helping you and being there for you. The more you do that, I think it would be a thing to say that gratitude is one thing that you should see and practice. But even while not that, whatever you could see the little bit of beauty also around you, it could be in terms of maybe just a flower that is blooming in your garden, you know that also is beautiful, right? So while you'll start seeing beauty in such things also, you will start seeing that it starts looking for you more beautiful experiences, more beautiful people, the more beautiful of everything coming your way. I am resilient and bounce back from setbacks. So, yes, you are resilient and you can bounce back from any setbacks, which is again what we are talking about again to and fro. So, yes, you can take a deep sigh of relief that, yes, if you've been going through a lot of stuff, it's time to, everything's coming to an end, a new phase is beginning, which is, better. These hard days are coming to an end, and you have turned out to be more stronger, and you may realize that you have the capabilities of dealing with anything, dealing with any situation, and bounce back from any kind of setbacks. So, all in all, at the end of the day, you're going to be much more stronger than before. And you're welcoming the new things and a lot of growth into your life. So, this is it for this duration for you. And I hope you do resonate. Let me know in the comments down below if you have resonated or not. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Let's connect in the comments section. Say a hi if nothing else. And until then, see you in the next reading. Bye bye.